Have you ever wondered how to boost your career in project management? In the ever-evolving world of business, staying competitive is key. With an increasing demand for skilled project managers, it's important to continuously develop and fine-tune your skills. Certifications have become a significant factor, helping professionals stand out in the crowd. They not only validate your skills, but also demonstrate your commitment to personal growth and professional excellence. One powerful way to enhance your career is by earning a PMP certification. You might be asking, what exactly is PMP certification? Well, PMP stands for Project Management Professional. It's a globally recognized credential that validates one's competency to perform in the role of a project manager. The certification is issued by the Project Management Institute, or PMI, a not-for-profit professional membership association for the project management profession. Now, obtaining this certification isn't a walk in the park. It requires a rigorous process that includes fulfilling educational and professional experience requirements and passing a challenging exam. The exam tests your ability to apply project management knowledge in real-life scenarios, so it's not just about rote learning. Let's not forget that this certification holds weight across various industries worldwide. So whether you're in IT, construction, healthcare, or any other sector, having a PMP certification can greatly enhance your credibility. So what makes this certification worth the effort? Let's find out. The PMP certification provides a multitude of benefits, making it a valuable asset for any project manager. Let's dive into some of these benefits, shall we? First off, the potential for higher income. With a PMP certification, you can expect to see a significant increase in your salary. According to the Project Management Institute, those with a PMP certification earn 20% more on average than those without. It's a tangible testament to your expertise and dedication, and employers are willing to pay for that. Next, career advancement opportunities. The PMP certification isn't just a badge, it's a key that can unlock doors to higher-level positions. It validates your ability to manage complex projects and lead teams, making you an attractive candidate for leadership roles. Then, there's enhanced skills and knowledge. The process of earning your PMP certification involves rigorous study and preparation, during which you'll gain a deep understanding of project management principles and practices. This knowledge isn't just theoretical. You'll be able to apply it in real-world scenarios, improving the efficiency and success of your projects. The PMP certification also offers global recognition. It's a universally recognized credential, meaning that it holds value no matter where your career takes you. Whether you're in New York, New Delhi, or New Zealand, a PMP certification is a mark of excellence that demonstrates your proficiency in project management. Finally, networking opportunities. Becoming PMP certified introduces you to a community of other certified professionals. This network can be a great resource for learning, sharing ideas, and even finding job opportunities. As you can see, the PMP certification can be a game changer for your career. It's not just about the prestige or the potential salary boost. It's about equipping yourself with the skills and knowledge you need to excel in your role, opening up new career paths, and connecting you with a global community of like-minded professionals. Yes, it requires an investment of time and effort, but the returns can be immense. It's an investment in your future and in the success of your projects. Now that you know the benefits, you might be wondering how to get started on your PMP certification journey. As the first step, you need to meet the eligibility requirements. This involves having a secondary degree along with several thousand hours of project management experience. If you have a 4-year degree, the experience requirement is slightly less. Once you've met these prerequisites, it's time to apply for the exam. This process includes documenting your project management experience and education and agreeing to adhere to the PMI Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct. After you've submitted your application, it will be reviewed by the PMI. If it's accepted, you'll be eligible to sit for the exam. The next step is preparing for the exam. This is a significant undertaking, as the PMP exam is known for being rigorous and comprehensive. There are numerous resources available to help you prepare, including study guides, online courses, and practice exams. Once you've passed the exam, congratulations. You're a certified project management professional. But the journey doesn't stop there. To maintain your certification, you'll need to earn 60 professional development units every 3 years. Remember, the journey might be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. You have the potential to take your career to the next level with PMP certification. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If so, give us a thumbs up. Want more career advice like this? Hit the subscribe button. Know someone who could benefit? Share this video. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in project management.